Honorable Speaker, this is my tribute to the enigma, the son of the soil, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. He was a powerful man, and a powerful man has just rested. A lion has returned to the mountain. The storm has stilled, but the thunder of his footstep will echo for generations. The sun rose heavy with sorrow. The skies paused in reverence, and the land sweep. Not just Kenya, but Africa and the world at large. Because a man like Raila Amolo Odinga does not die. No, he transcends. He takes a break, a half-time, a warrior rest after decades on the front line of justice, democracy, and the dreams of a nation. Raila was never just a politician, Honorable Speaker. He was a movement, a rhythm in our national heartbeat, a voice that thundered in parliament, whispered in prison cells, and sang for the streets of Kibera to the hearts of millions of Kenyans. His was a life powered out, fully, completely, in service of a better Kenya. He was imprisoned, vilified, betrayed, but never broken, Honorable Speaker. He was never silent and never afraid. He stood tall not because he sought power, Honorable Speaker, but because he was power. The kind that flows from conviction, sacrifice, and unshakable belief that Kenya could be more. He bore the weight of history and still had room to carry the hopes of the youths, the forgotten, the voiceless. Honorable Speaker, and even in the harshest political storms, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga remained the eye, calm, focused, and yielding. To say he's gone feels dishonest, Honorable Speaker, because a man like Raila cannot be erased by time or death. His fingerprints are on our constitution. His footsteps are in our polling stations. His fire lives on every Kenyan who dares to speak truth to power. Honorable Speaker, Raila Amolo Odinga is the whisper in the wind that says, freedom is near, keep walking. Honorable Speaker, yes, Raila Odinga has just taken a half-time break. And when the history books are written with honesty, his name will not just appear in the margins, Honorable Speaker, but it will command the headlines. Fare thee well, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. As you always sing, down the way when the lights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top. I took a trim on a sailing ship, but when I reached the mic, I made a stop. But I am sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is spin around. I hate to leave a little Gandhi, the kingdom town. Go well, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. And to those who wished Baba Raila Amolo Odinga death, Baba is gone. Wamaua, Wamnyoro. We will ever think about that. Baba, rest well. Baba, rest well. I am crying because he's my father. He has raised me politically. He held my hand.
Order, Honorable Zamzam Chimba. First, I didn't know you spoke such good English because you always speak in Swahili. On that note, well done, but you've ended badly. I had advised the House that I will not allow anybody, regardless, to deviate into parochial politics. Order Zamzam. Order Mama Zamzam. You are normally a very decent lady, and I want